Alright, so on today's video, and because we're terrible at doing intros, here's the side of the Daytona. We're doing the wrong thing the right way, so we're going to be cutting the coil springs, because this thing, while it is low here, the fender well is, you can stick your whole fist double top in here. Looks kind of dumb. So anyway, we're going to be cutting the spring on here and bringing you along the way.
Yeah, if you guys want. When we get this one out, we'll show you guys what we got so far and in comparison on sizes of what a stock spring looks like and a cut one looks like. Just so you guys have a good reference. Hammer. Go.
A little bit of bone poppy.
All the ball bearings weren't even in there.
Oh, boys. Look at that. I mean, they weren't even...
The pillow bearing was ruined.
Yeah, I mean...
It's all burned up in the bottom and everything.
Completely destroyed. Oh, I mean, I don't even know how this thing... It had to just be terrible. I mean, it felt bad, but it wasn't making no noise. Not like missing all of its bearings noise. But... Good boy.
Where did the...
What?
Where the,
Oh yeah, hey guys, did you guys see where the extension went in the video? There it is.
She will. Oh yeah, that's good.
That's dirt nasty. That looks good.
That's perfect.
Yeah, with the back. With the back, it'll look perfect.
It sits perfect in the well there.
Uh-huh.
Dig it.
I dig it too. Looks good. You guys go. About one evening and you got lowered suspension.
If you know what you're doing, you probably wouldn't take this long.
That's true too. That's true too. Those are next. You see that? That's nasty.
This.
But that,
One-ish.
that's
two
dirt
fingers.
nasty.
That's good. Fist. Full fist. That's not good. We're looking for like your mama action here, right?
Yeah. Hell yeah. See you guys in the next one.